Before we step into 2026, a look back at what all has SAM achieved in the year 2025. The first is our office space. New space, new vibes, new look, new energy, positive energy. So we shifted here in Sector 82, Mohali, in JLPL on the airport road, bringing in new vibrations into the office, new teamwork into the office, and new energy. Many new and critical installations were done this year, like the CMM from Renishaw, known as Agility. APCA, again a tool setting system which is installed on a CNC machine, again by Renishaw. Being experts in metal cutting field, we expanded our wings towards grinding machine solutions. So we've got a complete range of surface grinders from Alex Machine Tools, cylindrical grinders from High Life, and we moved into the field of metal forming as well, which includes laser machines, bending machines, punching machines and laser welding machines from Trumpf, Germany. In our training school, we established Heimer Technical Training Center for our customers to witness presetters and shrink fits hands-on and to train students about this technology. ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ hands-on training operators, programmers ਤੇ setters ਨੂੰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ industry ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ, because we want them to be trained on the latest technology. ਇੱਕ simple probe ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਕੀ ਐਡਵਾਂਟੇजेस ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਪ੍ਰੀਸੈਟਰ ਸ਼ਰਿੰਕ ਫਿਟ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਐਗਜ਼ਿਸਟਿੰਗ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਤੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਾਈਕਲ ਟਾਈਮ ਘੱਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, 5S 4M ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ ਔਰ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ to the industry, to the operator, to the setter, everybody. So we have started going to industries and give corporate trainings. As you already know that our training school is associated with Mitsubishi controllers, Siemens controllers. Now we have established a tie-up with Syntec controllers in which we impart hands-on training to our students, to our customers, and anybody who wants to be trained on Syntec controller, feel free to come here. ਸਾਡੇ ਕਈ colleges ਨਾਲ MOU ਵੀ ਸਾਈਨ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ PCTE ਰਾਮਗੜੀਆ ਕਾਲਜ, ਐਂਡ ਆਪਾਂ colleges ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ apart from CNC ਦੀ operating programming, solid cam ਦੀ training, VMC ਦੀ programming, ਇਹਦੇ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਆਪਾਂ robotic training ਵੀ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ colleges 'ਚ। ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਲ ਰੋਬੋ ਦਾ ਕੋਬੋਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਜਾਂ colleges ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਹੈਂਡਸ ਔਨ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਸੋ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ 2025 has been a great year for us. अब training school ਅਸੀਂ expand ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ, SAM automation ਆਪਾਂ expand ਕੀਤਾ, shifted to a new place, and now 2026 is here in which something new is coming up, something big is coming up. So see you in 2026. Best of luck. May God bless you. Thank you.